Comes in this nice box that seals really good. So this is a keeping box. This is the kind of box you store this in forever. The warranty is right on the box, so that's pretty handy too. It says 3 months unconditional refund and contact them within 24 hours to get any after sales problems, which is pretty great. I don't see that very often. The box itself feels like some kind of rubbery thing. I don't have an Omnilux to compare it to. Wish I did, just for this comparison. But so far it looks really nice. Comes with the straps. Got our instructions. The neck, which I'm really excited about. Cord. It's a USB to C charger. Universal, so if you lose it, you probably have one laying around. Comes with 2 of them. One must be for the neck, if I were to guess. Sticky thing, I don't know what that is. These are probably eyepieces. Kind of heavy. Heavier than I would have thought. And this neck thing has the controls right on it. I'm gonna try packing it back. No idea what that is, but I probably ought to save it. I will probably keep the instructions because I'll forget how to use it every single time I use it. My only concern is, where is this supposed to go when you pack it? Where's that little cord? It doesn't feel right to fold it over like that, but I'm not too sure if that's a safe way to fold it either. Fits in there just fine without all the extra little pieces. The instructions say to charge the controller for 4 to 5 hours before using, and that seems easy enough, but when I look at this, I don't actually, oh, there's the thing. When it stops flashing, it's fully charged.